So, good morning and welcome back to this course on operations management. And today we're going to talk about the topic from Unit 3, which is product design and work systems. So, today's topic is going to be about method study. So, this is the topic we're going to see today. So, let us quickly get into this detailed discussion and topics on this method study. So method study, as you can clearly see, it's actually enables the industrial engineer who's actually doing a particular operation for a systematic analysis. So it enables for a systematic analysis. And the main purpose of this method study is to eliminate the unnecessary operations. Okay, so whatever is unnecessary operations is elimination of these operations and to achieve the best method of performing the operation. So this is the main objective of or purpose of method study. Method study is also called methods engineering or works design. So this is the main concept. So it basically enables us, any industrial engineer, to do a systematic analysis and to eliminate the unnecessary operations and to achieve the best method of performing the operation. So method study is also called methods engineering or work design. So the method study man should have the following features: the desire and determination to produce results. It should have the desire and determination to produce results, the ability to achieve results, and an understanding of the human factors involved. So method study man should have the desire and the determination to produce the results and the ability to achieve the results. You should have the ability and also the understanding of the human factors involved. And method study, the scope of the method study lies in improving the work methods through various processes and also the analysis of the operations, such as what are the various manufacturing operations and what is the sequence of the various manufacturing operations. Now, what do you mean by, and also analyzing of the workmen and also the materials, the tools and gauges. So this is how actually the scope of the method study. And method studies also, the scope also extends to this another three more factors: the layout of the physical facilities and the workstation design, and movement of men, material, and material handling, and also the work environment. So this all come under the method study. And the objectives of the method study is essentially concerned with finding better ways of doing an operation, and it adds value and increases the efficiency by eliminating unnecessary operations, avoidable delays, and other forms of waste. The improvement in efficiency is achieved through improved layout and design of workplace, improved and efficient work procedures, effective utilization of men, machines, and materials, improved design or specification of the final products. Scope of method study. The scope of method study is not only restricted to manufacturing industry. Method study techniques can be applied equally in service sector as well, and it can be applied to the following service sectors like offices, hospitals, banks, and other service organizations. The areas to which method study can be applied successfully in manufacturing are to improve the work methods and the procedures, to determine the best sequence of doing work, and to smoothen the material flow with minimum of backtracking, and to improve the layout. So again, the scope of the method study includes to improve the working conditions and hence to improve the labor efficiencies, to reduce the monotony in the work, to improve plant utilization and material utilization, elimination of waste and unproductive operations, and to reduce the manufacturing cost through reducing cycle time of operations. Now, this is the following method procedure involved in the method study. Now, it consists of 8 steps. Now, first step is selecting the work to be studied and boundaries have to be defined. That is the first step. Second step is record. Record the facts about the job by direct observation and collect such additional data as may be needed from appropriate sources. Third is examine the way the job is being performed and challenge its purpose, place, sequence, and method of performance. Now, fourth is develop the most practical, economic, and effective method, drawing on the contributions of those concerned. That is the fourth stage of development. The fifth is evaluate different alternatives to developing a new improved method, comparing the cost effectiveness of selected new method with the current method of performance. Define the new method as result in a clear manner and present to those concerned, that is the management, supervisors, and the workers. Then install the new method as a standard practice and train the persons involved in the particular operation. The final step is maintain the new method and introduce control procedures, prevent it drifting back to the previous method of work. So this is the overall steps or procedures involved in the method study. So these are all graphically also it is shown here. First, you're going to select work which can be studied with an economic advantage. Record all the facts about the job of the operation. Examine the facts critically, the purpose, place, sequence, process, coordinators. Simplify, eliminate, combine, or change. Develop a record of an improved method under prevailing conditions. Re-examine and select the best method. Evaluate different alternatives to developing a new improved method comparing the cost effectiveness. Define method, the procedure, layout, equipment, working conditions, materials, quality instructions. And install the improved method, plan, arrange, and implement. Maintain verified regular intervals that the improved process is in use. So selection of the job for the method study. Cost is the main criteria for the selection of the job. Process or department for method analysis. To carry out the method study, a job is selected such that the proposed method achieves one or more of the following results. Improvement in quality with the lesser scrap, increased production through better utilization of resources, elimination of unnecessary operations and movements, improved layout leading to smooth flow of material and a balanced production line, and improved working conditions. So thank you very much for patient listening. If you have any doubts and clarifications, you can. Thank you very much.